we're installing new infrastructure for land administration in Uganda, where they haven't had property registers that has all the property information, like what you find in county deed registry, which when you buy a piece of property, you have to do a search. And all of that is recorded. In the United States, it's computerized. Well, they don't have that kind of system. So it's very risky, doing business, selling or buying real estate, for instance. Now, this kind of infrastructure, even though we take for granted here, is critically important for development planning. It's important for forest and natural resource management, environmental, conservation. It's important for historical preservation. And it's critical as an asset for agriculture, for investment, urban, rural. And we are building a database to actually record all this information, and also to title and register property owners who are not registered. 85% of the country's property is not registered. And for me as an economist, what I'm interested in is that the property information will be a basis for appraising my land, that I have documents that will allow me to be able to use my property as collateral for investment, and that if I need to enter into a partnership with an investor to go into commercial agriculture, for instance, I have the security of my ownership. So for African countries that are agricultural and trying to develop and trying to evolve market systems, property rights is a fundamental principle for market economies. And being able to use your property as an asset, as capital, is critical to the overall development. And in the process, I can see the transformation of the land market into a real estate market, and the enthusiasm of banks and financial institutions to now lend to people with property titles that secure their property as collateral for the investment. So basically it has a direct impact on transforming the economy and making it more productive. But that's what I teach in the classroom. So I have examples and case studies that are real, because I can say I was there and I did it.